Today we're going to solve the problem of 127 divided by 7. First, we have to write the problem in the traditional form. So let's write 7, and then we'll put our division house, goes into 127. Remember that the dividend, the number that is being divided, is 127. The divisor, the number that the dividend is being divided by, is 7. Next step is to draw a vertical line so that the problem looks like this. The vertical line will separate subtractions from partial quotients. Now let's proceed. A good strategy is to think, how many times could 7 go into 127? Let's ask ourselves, are there at least 100 sevens in 127? No, because I know that 107 equals 700, and that's too big. Are there at least 10 sevens in 127? Yes, because 10 times 7 is 70. I'll ask myself now, are there at least 20 sevens in 127? No, because 27 equals 140, which is more than 127. So there are at least 10 sevens, but not more than 27. So we'll try 10. So under the partial quotients column, we're going to write 10 because we know that there are 10 sevens equal 70. We're going to write that right underneath our dividend. 10 is the first partial quotient. Now we're going to subtract to see how much we have left to divide. So we subtract 70 from 127, and we end up with 57. Now let's find the number of sevens in 57. Let's ask ourselves, could we put 10 sevens in 70? No. In 57? No, because that would be 70, and that's bigger than 57. Let's think of our basic facts. Could we put 5 sevens in 57? Yes, because 5 sevens equals 35. But that's too small. I know that 8 sevens is 56. That's pretty close. So let's try 8 sevens. So we're going to put 8 under the partial quotients column because we know that 8 times 7 is 56. And then we'll subtract to see how much we have left to divide. So 57 minus 56 equals 1. So we have 1 remaining. Now we know that we only have 1, so we can't fit any 7s into 1. So we're going to add up our partial quotients. 10 plus 8, and we get 18. That's the number of 7s we can fit into 127. So our quotient would be 18 with a remainder of 1. And we write it just like this.